this is Dio from Toys Own HD. Today I'm going to show you Stripes from Nickelodeon. It is recommended for ages 3 and up. And he can move his wheel like up and down. You can do that, and so let's open it up. The best thing is to ask your mommy or daddy to get it out. You can move it any side you want. So he can do this stuff like that, and he can also put his wheels up like that. He has a sailboat. Stand upside down. It looks like a spider, and it's really cool. They also have another one, Blaze. Or you can fly with them on a ramp. I recommend this for all ages because you can do so much stuff with it. Like fly with it. And then make him like that. He can go like that. Make him go up like upside down. Like stretch his legs, and he's gonna go upside down. I hope you like our video. If you like it, please subscribe.